Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The euro dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound fall 0.7% against the dollar. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Shares of Ford Motor and General Motors fell about 5% after Morgan Stanley analysts downgraded the US automakers, citing a challenging market environment marked by falling prices and growing competitive threats, particularly from China. Shares of former Donald Trump's media company sprang back over 6%, rebounding from all-time lows after restrictions on insider selling expired last week. 2 straight days of gains in Trump Media and Technology Group, which is 57% owned by the Republican presidential nominee, have lifted it 12%. PayPal Holdings announced it is enabling US merchants to buy, hold and sell cryptocurrency from their business accounts. Cryptocurrency has moved from being a nascent asset class towards greater market acceptance after Bitcoin exchange-traded funds were approved for listing by the US SEC earlier in the year.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US durable goods orders at 12:30 GMT. Spain's retail sales at 7 GMT. Italy's consumer confidence will be released at 8 GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index at 23:30 GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.